Good morning. This is Rich here on behalf of Rich TV Live, and I'm here to talk to you about a company that I think has a chance to be absolutely huge. Absolutely huge. I think it has a chance to be a big winner, and the symbol is BBTV. And BBTV has some breaking news this morning. Hope you're all having a great morning so far. Already pre-market, we have so many winners that are just screaming. And I thought we'd go live and we would talk about it first. It's what we do. It's what we do best. We bring you the winners, we bring you the news, and we bring it to you first. So this is the big news for BBTV. It is already a pre-market, actually closed at $11.92 on Friday, and is actually sitting right now at $12.75 on this big breaking news. Here it is. BBTV provides business update demonstrating acceleration of high margin direct advertising sales. BBTV Holdings Inc. and NBA, National Basketball Association, signed new content management agreement. Huge news for BBTV signing a deal with the NBA, with the National Basketball Association. And I'm literally breaking this news to you first. BBTV, a media tech company that uses technology-enabled solutions to help content owners become more successful. I'm a content owner. Today shares insights to its accelerating growth from BBTV's high-margin plus solutions, which include direct advertising sales, SaaS/content management, and mobile gaming apps. Content management/SaaS. BBTV signs new SaaS content management agreement with the NBA, National Basketball Association, for which BBTV manages all fan uploaded NBA content on YouTube across the globe, excluding China. Woo! Big news, breaking news. This is their website, bbtv.com, and now they have a deal with the NBA, the National Basketball Association, and the stock is moving in kind. Direct advertising sales. Direct sales remain a key component of BBTV's Plus solution success, with revenues increasing 46% from the last 12 months ended October 2020 compared to the same period in 2019. During the September to October 2020 period, direct sales experienced a significant 48% revenue increase. November 2020 was BBTV's record month for direct advertising, with 50% plus revenue growth in comparison to November 2019. That is amazing revenue growth. The fourth quarter is BBTV's highest revenue quarter due to seasonal ad spending during the holidays, normally representing 30 to 35% of the total revenue for the year. BBTV's overall monthly revenue for October 2020 was $47.096 million, representing a 49% year-over-year increase over October 2019. Wow. $47 million for the month of October? That's amazing revenue. Wow. That's impressive. Hey, Phil, good morning. Phil says, morning, Rich, massive green day. I love it. Dip by BBTV. Yeah, very good advice there, Phil. I agree with you. If you can get dips on great companies, buy the dips and sell the rips. But I don't know if there's going to be a dip because this revenue is just incredible. $47 million for the month. BBTV's overall monthly revenue for October was $47 million in October. Whoa, that's big. We're extremely pleased with the ongoing growth and development of BBTV's direct advertising solutions as we move through the fourth quarter, resulting in gross profits increases for the wider business. Comments Sharzad Rafati, chairperson and CEO of BBTV. The renewal of our significant content management partnership with the NBA is testament to the great value we're able to bring content owners of all sizes across different content verticals and territories. It remains an incredibly exciting time for the business as we're looking forward to continued success in 2021. MBA Content Management deal. The MBA and BBTV have signed a new content management partnership whereby BBTV will manage all fan-uploaded premium MBA content on YouTube. BBTV's content management solution combines industry-leading expertise with powerful technology to help content owners like the MBA manage fan-uploaded copies of content, putting them back in control of their intellectual property, while also maximizing revenue potential for content owners and BBTV. These solutions are part of BBTV's Plus solutions that provide higher margins and enhanced value adds for BBTV and its partners. BBTV has demonstrated significant size and scale in its operations, given its large and growing base of 464 billion views as of the last 12 months, October 2020. Wow, 464 billion views? That is incredible. That's an incredible amount of views, huge amount of views. Just absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. And I'll be honest with you guys, BBTV is a company that not many people know about yet, but it's a company that people are going to know about real quickly. They're on the Toronto Stock Exchange type float. This is exactly what we look for. And this has a chance to be an absolute rocket. The company's initial priority has been to acquire market share and demonstrate market leadership in views and engagement performance. Now management is laser focused on selling more of its advertising inventory directly to brands and agencies via premium advertising sales. We experienced record direct advertising revenues in November 2020, leveraging our substantial scale, engagement, and brand safety and contextual targeting solutions. We have continually exceeded industry performance, comments Doug Johnson, VP Ad Sales of BBTV. The fourth quarter of 2020 will be our strongest quarter to date, and we are well poised to take advantage of BBTV's significant views and engagement in 2021 and continue to grow aggressively. About BBTV. BBTV is a media and technology company headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. BBTV is an enabling platform with a stated mission of advancing the world through democratization of content. From individual content creators to global media companies, and we're a content creator, and we love BBTV. BBTV monetizes the media of content owners through end-to-end management, distribution, and monetization solutions, powered by its innovative Viso platform, including related proprietary technology, while allowing content owners to focus on their core competency, content creation. In August 2020, BBTV had the second most unique monthly users among digital platforms, with 615 million globally who consume more than 55 billion minutes of video content, the most among media companies. Wow. This is the big news, breaking news. This just came out this morning, and I'm breaking it to you first. Now, we're going to look into BBTV. Now, this is their website, bbtv.com. Advancing the world through the management, distribution, and monetization of content. Solutions. BBTV provides end-to-end management, distribution, and monetization solutions to content owners across a range of leading services, creator solutions, content management, advertising solutions, interactive, and e-commerce. So this is their website, and you can follow them on social media, on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Let's just follow them. Let's see what they look like here on Instagram. All right, following you guys on Instagram. And let's see what they look like on Twitter. Following these guys. And this is how I research companies, guys. I literally just follow them everywhere. Pay attention to their news, do the research, do the due diligence, and try to identify early stage, undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed opportunities before they rocket. That's the whole idea, right? People keep asking, how do you keep finding winners? What's your secret? How are you doing it? Research, 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 research. And I share my research with you guys. I'm not hiding it, right? So I'm sharing with you guys my research. I'm sharing you my due diligence. I'm sharing you how I identify undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed opportunities. And the whole idea and the concept is that the community learns how to identify early stage opportunities so that they can share it with the rest of the trading club and the trading community. That's the strategy. Now, let me show you something that I really liked about BBTV. And this is a story that's just getting started, guys. This is literally just getting started, but look at this. This to me is very impressive. If you know Rich TV Live, you know I love a tight share structure. I don't really know anybody else tighter than this. 14 million listed shares issued and outstanding. 14 million shares listed, issued and outstanding. 20 million total with all classes of shares. That includes warrants and options, and a 168 million market cap right now with all classes of shares, including options and warrants, a 244 million market cap for a company that made $47 million in revenue in November alone. I believe this grows to $1 billion market cap. Based on the revenue alone and this deal with the NBA, I believe that we see this grow to a 1 billion market cap in the future, which means there's a lot of room for growth still. And I believe this is a story that's just now getting out. Most people don't even know about BBTV yet, but we are telling it to you first because I believe in this company and I think the upside is absolutely incredible. Now, let's just look more detailed into BBTV. So this is their investor presentation. And they talk about how content consumption is growing rapidly, which I agree. We are content creators. We understand that. And hundreds of hours of content is uploaded on platforms every minute. 500 hours of content is uploaded every single minute to YouTube. Content is watched on an increasing number of platforms competing for audience attention. And we use them all, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Instagram. We use them all. How you guys doing this morning? Let's see what some of you guys have to say. Eric says that's undervalued for the stock value. No, I believe it is. I think that the upside is tremendous. And for those of you guys that are members of our trading group, I'm going to make you guys moderators. How you doing, Chris? When are you going to do MindMed coverage? I was giving you guys MindMed coverage when they were 30, 40 cents. You guys want me to cover them now at $4.50? They're already up 1,000%. I covered them before they exploded. I think at this point, members have already made a 10X, and there's really not much to talk about now. I already covered them when they were early before they exploded. They're one of my clients from the beginning. Enfo Drew says, morning, guys. Hope you all bought Eats and now also BBTV. Well, yeah, Eats is doing well pre-market, and so is BBTV. Eric Lee says, interesting. Fine Rich insiders have been buying since October for as high as 16. And I believe that it's worth more than that just because their revenue is phenomenal. I mean, $47 million in revenue for the month. That's impressive. That's 120 million, 150 million for the quarter. I mean, whoa, that puts them at a run rate of like 600 million a year. Yeah, for a $10 stock. Now let's say $12 stock. Yeah, I think that this is a very interesting story. You can see the global digital advertising spend. I mean, companies are spending more and more money on digital advertising. It is the future. We know it because we're part of it. And I think you need to turn right now to BBTV, put it on your radar, put it on your watch list. You can see BBTV is an integral part of global content consumption. You can see how everyone is consuming content and BBTV is maximizing on that content. And I believe that the upside for them is absolutely tremendous. Look at this. We help content owners grow viewership and drive revenue. We're a content owner, love to work with BBTV in some type of capacity to really grow our brand. And who knows, maybe one day BBTV and Rich TV Live do a stock show. You never know. As we evolve, these are the types of opportunities that may present themselves. You can see how their platform works. They drive revenue through advertising, content management, and SaaS, mobile gaming. Increase views by optimization, collaboration, content and brand safety, fan-uploaded content management, and actionable insights. Improve solutions, 25 times more increase in total views per head across our content acquisition team from 2014 to 2019, 9 times increase in views as a result of acquiring new content owners from 2014 to 2019. Continually improving algorithms, big data analysis, machine learning, digital signal processing, computer vision, large data set, 2.5 billion video assets that power BBTV's lead generation and onboarding new content owners. So market looks really green this morning. Looks like we're going to have a big green day. A lot of our picks that we've talked about even this weekend are already up pre-market. Congratulations to investors. Now remember, profits are not profits until you take them. So if you're up on something and it starts to come down, lock in your profits. If you're up on something and it's going up, you can hold it. But if you're up on something and it starts to lose steam and it starts to come down, lock in your profits. That's the rich system. That's how you get rich. Take your profits. And then if it comes down and you really believe in it and you see it's hit the bottom and it's curling back up, you can always buy it again. And then when it rips up, you can sell it again. This is what we teach our community. This is what we teach in our trading club. But in addition to that, you need to find great companies first. This is a great company. Tight share structure, unbelievable revenue growth, working with the MBA. It has everything you're looking for to be a winner. So let's see our impact revenue, average increase in the amount paid to content owners on 2018 to 2019, 19% increase. We're living it and loving it. Retention views across content owners, 95% retention. So they've got base solutions and plus solutions. You can see what they are right here. Base solutions increase viewership. BBTV's tech platform provides comprehensive solutions to help content owners increase their views and engagement through optimization, collaboration, and insights. Drive revenue. BBTV's tech platform provides content and brand safety to increase RPMs, which increase revenue. What are their plus solutions? Activate additional revenue, direct ad sales, content management, mobile gaming apps. So you can see that these guys have a plan. They're executing it. They are on the highest exchange in Canada, the Toronto Stock Exchange, and I believe that they have a chance to be an absolute juggernaut. Okay, so you can see some different information here about continuing to grow with Fernand Flow, scaling high margin revenue streams. So working with content creators, and you can see what they are doing with the MBA. Amazing deal here with the MBA, huge deal. Obviously, MBA is a global brand. So working with the MBA is a huge, huge catalyst for BBTV. And I broke to you guys the news. They are going to really take this to the next level with the MBA and other partnerships. BBTV differentiated by the size and strength of its content. Diverse content owners, vertical leadership, impactful content. Now, I don't see them with a stock show. So BBTV, if you guys are watching, we would love to do a business stock show on your platform. I think it would be phenomenal. We're on YouTube. Love to work with you guys in some type of capacity. And I think it would be great. You know, we are growing to become one of the #1 stock communities in the world. I think that would benefit BBTV, and a lot of companies would want to spend a lot of money to advertise on a platform which is talking about stocks and helping people make money. Just a thought. You can see some of the different ideas and avenues that they're currently working with, and it's extremely impressive, just like their revenue growth, just like their share structure. This is a team that looks really, really good. This is a company that looks extremely profitable and extremely impressive. You can see their global scale and diversification, literally growing all over the world, local presence in 28 countries and 10 languages, focused on 5 verticals: sports, gaming, entertainment, kids and family, and music. BBTV, how about a business show? How about a stock show? How about a finance show? Think about the possibilities. Just saying. Minimal content owner concentration, thousands of content owners. So you can see there is so much potential here. Comprehensive end-to-end solution for content owners. So we need to look into this and figure out if there's a way for us to work with BBTV, providing all of these solutions for content owners. BBTV shares in content owner value uplift. So you can see they are growing with the content owners, which I think is a beautiful business model. Beautiful business model, growing with the content owners. And you can see the key metrics and highlights here. Advertising video views in the billions, growth driven by international and vertical expansion, improvements in technology, expansion of valuable content library. You can see the growth is exponential. Advertising RPMs, 2014 to 2017 decline driven by expansion into international markets with low RPM but high growth rates. 2018 to current, international RPMs increase driven by advertisers following shift from traditional to digital advertising. This is a new world. This is where everyone's going. And this is where the money's being spent because everybody is right now dealing with a global pandemic. A lot of people are at home watching YouTube, watching social media, watching content creators. So companies like BBTV are exploding due to the new world of people staying at home and finding new ways to keep themselves active, engaged, entertained, updated, and BBTV is helping with that evolution. You can see the financial highlights. I mean, this is super impressive. Revenue growth driven by same trends impacting views and RPM. You can see the revenue growth, just absolutely incredible. And adjusted OPEX as a percentage of revenue and adjusted EBITDA margin. So very impressive growth. Q3 2020 highlights, revenue plus 31% year over year, 121 million in revenue. Views 18% year over year, 121 billion views. Whoo, it's a lot of views. RPMs 11% year over year, 94.94 cents. COVID-19 has accelerated pre-pandemic trends in shift to digital media consumption. As I just stated, Q3 2020 views continued growth trajectory up 18% year over year from Q3 2019. RPMs increased significantly to 94 cents from Q2 2020 from 70 cents. Strong resurgence from Q2 COVID impact. Revenue up 26% sequentially from Q2 2020. So it's been a strong year over year growth for our key metrics. Advertising video views in the billions, growth driven by continued expansion of content library and content owners, increased video viewership, and return of professional sports. Like I just announced, their deal with the NBA. Advertising RPMs, advertising resurgence in Q3, brand safety, and plus solutions. So you can see the growth is substantial. Strong revenue growth through COVID. You can see the revenue growth, incredible revenue growth. Q3 2020 at 120 million. Amazing revenue growth. Year-to-date revenues in millions. First half impacted by COVID-19 with resurgence in Q3. Continued viewership. And you can see the growth in millions. Exponential growth. Incredible growth. It's just so impressive. 120 million in Q3. Oh. $308 million they've made so far this year. Whoa, that is incredible. Guys, the revenue is just mind-boggling for these guys. I don't think I've personally ever seen a company that I've talked about at this level with this type of revenue. It's just staggering. So BBTV has a highly scalable growth strategy, scale organic revenue streams across base and plus solutions, continuously innovate and expand tech solutions for content owners, expand to new platforms, geo markets and verticals, and increase presence in existing ones. Further empower organic growth opportunities through mergers and acquisitions. Love it. So let's look at some of their investment highlights. We bring the power of content at scale with significant margin expansion and growth opportunities. Enabling platform for content owners, significant growth and scale established. Growth reach, active and highly engaged audience, unique content ecosystem of diverse content owners, leading verticals, impactful content. Large, high growth addressable market with diverse, high value demographics. Key inflection points with plus solutions enabling multiple avenues for growth and margin expansion. Founder-led and vision management team with significant ownership position. Solutions powered by proprietary technology. You can see these guys are really making it. And you can see some of the comparable companies comparing themselves to companies like Viacom, Disney, and where they stand: Snapchat, Spotify, Netflix, Roku. And you can see how they compare to other companies in their field. And let's look at the executive officer. So Sharzad Rafati is the founder of BBTV and has held the position of chief executive officer since the company's founding in 2005. She also serves on the board of directors of numerous for-profit and non-for-profit entities, including Invest in Canada, Hootsuite Media Inc., and Bajarke Angels Group, and has previously served on the board of directors of the Forum of Women's Entrepreneur and the Vancouver Economic Commissions. Ms. Rafferty has received numerous recent awards and accolades, including being named the 2018 Ernst & Young Pacific Entrepreneur of the Year Award of the technology category, awarded Person of the Year by British Columbia Technology Association, named one of Canada's top 40 under 40. Wow, this is very impressive management here. Selected as one of the Hollywood Reporter's most powerful women in global television. Wow. The Ad Age Creativity Award 2019 Visionary Founder of the Year, and was named the RAPS Innovators List. Earlier awards and accolades include being named one of Canada's most powerful women, winner of the CEO of World's Awards Founder Entrepreneur of the Year, and named one of the Fast Company's 100 most creative people in business. Impressive. Ms. Rafferty holds a BSc in computer science from the University of British Columbia, is a graduate of the Young Global Leader Oxford Module, Transformational Leadership at said Business School, University of Oxford, and received her honorary doctorate from University Canada West in 2020. Very impressive. Very, very impressive. And you can see their team. And board of directors. Super impressed. And here are their share structure. And let's break this down. This is very important to me. This is usually one of my key metrics. So their balance sheet right now, as it stands, sitting at 68 million in assets. Their liabilities standing at 119 million in liabilities. That's something we want to see obviously improve, but I believe that they will. I believe that they will. Pro forma ownership and voting summary. You can see Miss Rafferty has 35.2% ownership of the shares. That's a huge stake. Other BBTV shareholders own 19.9%. So Ms. Rafferty owns a huge stake in the company, 83.5% voting control and rights. So really is the key holder and decision maker for the company. And investors in the offering hold 44.9% of the shares. So that breaks down the total share structure. This is their website, BBTV. Let's take a look at this website. Their technology. Viso is BBTV's proprietary suite of management and SaaS products that power a wide range of our services, from content management to content protection and collaborations. Pretty cool. Who knows? Maybe one day I'll be working with these guys on their platform. You never know. They look really, really cool. Seems like these guys are smart and they're working with some big names. Obviously, the NBA is massive. Coverage. You can see the news that they're just breaking today, and some of the previous news from before. Pretty cool. Wow. 172 million IPO. Huge IPO on the TSX. Wow, the Iranian immigrant who conquered online video technology. This is very impressive. Like, this news is everywhere. Incredible, impressive, and there has been some serious coverage on this company, and I believe that this is a company that can go really far. Really far. Look at all these partnerships. Look at all this. I mean, this is pretty impressive. I mean, this news just keeps going. So the news is very impressive. You can find all this information on their website. Look at all the different languages that they're in. Creator solutions, content management, advertising solutions, interactive, e-commerce. So let's say I'm a creator and I want to find out what they do. I click on creator solutions, create your own way. Our services for creators help you get to where you want to be, from boosting your brand to growing your audience and driving your monetization. All right. So let's say I want to become a partner. What do I do? Click on become a partner. This is just make sure your channel is ready for partnership. Please enter your email address. Specifically, we're checking for things like copyright strikes, AdSense, and your channel stats for partnership. All right. Partner my channel. So literally, you just go through it all. And they will let you know whether or not they like your channel. Pretty cool. Look at this. Dear creator, thanks for your application. Unfortunately, your channel does not meet our minimum requirements for partnership. To be eligible, your channel must have 250,000 monthly views. Okay. We got that. We got way more than that. Oh, wait a second. 250,000 monthly views. No, that's where we're short. So we're right about 200,000 monthly views. So we still need to grow to even qualify. You need 4,000 hours watched in the past year and 1,000 subscribers. Well, we've got way over 4,000 hours. We've got 1,000 subscribers, but we don't got over 250,000 monthly views. So once we get, we're up to almost 200,000 monthly views. So once we get over 250,000 monthly views, then we could be a potential candidate to take advantage of their services. So we got to continue to grow. Once you've met our minimum requirements, please reapply. Need some growth inspiration? Check our latest YouTube tips on BBTV blog. Cool. This is cool. I'm excited about these guys. Let's see if the market is, there we go. Boom. So we're live, BBTV on the Toronto Stock Exchange. And as predicted, it's already up 5% at $12.60. Love to know what you think about this pick. It's up. And I'd love to know if you think that this is a company that you're interested in, if this is a company you invest in, if this is the type of company you'd be excited about. Love to know what you think about BBTV Holdings. I think the upside is tremendous. Oh, it just made another move up. Now at $12.79, up 7.3%. Let's just see how much volume. So far traded 13,000 shares in volume. And let's just go back to the big news for BBTV. Remember, share structure is really tight, guys. Only 14 million shares and 20 million total. An incredible tight share structure. And let's just go back to their news once again, which I found to be extremely impressive. Here's the news. BBTV provides business update demonstrating acceleration of high margin direct advertising sales. And BBTV and NBA signed new content management agreement. So obviously BBTV is moving up on this big news, and I love what I see so far. I think the upside is tremendous. Revenue growth is tremendous, and they have been a huge winner so far. Naveed says, why is that whenever I see one channel talk about a stock, there are always 2 to 3 more channels talking about it at the same time? Thanks for covering this, Rich. I've been looking at this for a week. Because when we go live, everybody else loves to talk about our picks. So a lot of times when we go live and we talk about a pick, a lot of times other people will go live and talk about that pick too. So that's the power of influence, right? Power of influence is very, very important. Good morning, Robert. How you doing? Robert says, good morning, Rich. I'm loving the new club and so happy to be a part of it. Thank you for what you do. Hey, my pleasure, Rob. Hope you're winning. Hope you guys are watching. What do you think about BBTV? I think it's a big winner. I think you can book it. I think that the revenue growth speaks for itself. The deal with the NBA speaks for itself. And I'm a big fan of content creation. As a content creator, I've always been a fan of content creation and content management, SaaS, and BBTV is doing it all. So super impressed with this company. I'm going to continue to watch them. Put them on your radar. Put them on your watch list. Let me know what you think. If you like this company, smash the like button, comment down below, and share the video everywhere. BBTV, what do you guys think? Is it a winner? I think that the upside is tremendous for this company, and I'd love to know your opinion on BBTV. Remember, guys, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Always do your due diligence. Always do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about here on Rich TV Live. Always invest in the best. The best is blessed. This is your boy, Rich, from Rich TV Live. Now, remember, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe so that you can get access to more ideas, trade ideas every day before it happens. We bring you the winners that are undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed, and we love to talk about super high growth, undervalued companies. And we love to bring them to you first. Congratulations to members. So many picks that we talked about this weekend, and they're already up. And love to make sure that everybody has a good trading day. Remember, profits are not profits until you lock them in. So don't beat your chest and talk about how great you are. If you're up on something, lock in your profits, okay? Nothing wrong with locking in your profits. That's how you win. Profits are not actualized until you lock them in. Look at this. BBTV clearly moving today on this news with the revenue growth and the deal with the NBA. I think it's huge news. Really like this company. Love the revenue growth. Love the share structure. I believe a company like this, the sky's the limit. We'll see you on the moon. This is your boy, Rich, from Rich TV Live. If you're not winning, you're not watching, smash the like, comment down below, share the video everywhere. What do you guys think about BBTV? I think this is a rocket. Love to know what you think. This is your boy, Rich, from Rich TV Live, and I'll see you soon. If there's any other big breaking news on BBTV, I'll let you know first. I'm out.